Well, hello there and greetings to you. It is Matthew McDonald here. Thank you for clicking through and welcome to this super quick video where we're going to take a look at a killer strategy for adding video snippets to your website. Now, this is going to be super useful whenever there's a longer video and you just want a portion of that video on your website. Instead of including the whole video and then having to tell people, please forward to a certain timestamp in the video and just watch that part, you can choose exactly what part of the video you want to embed to your website and then just embed that part to your video. Now that's whether it's your own video, an MP4 file, or it's a YouTube video or some other type of video you want to include. So let me show you that here really quickly how to do it. We're inside a WordPress admin. I've got a clean slate here with V-Snippets, which is my super awesome killer latest tool. I'm going to tell you all about it. But first, let's go ahead and see how to do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a YouTube video for the first quick example. Here we've got videos on SEO. SEO is super important. It matters to my audience, but I don't teach on it. So I'm going to grab a video here on SEO. I'm just going to drag it in, drop it, and it's going to bring me to this tool where I can exactly choose what part of this video do I want. Now with this particular video, it's a great video, but it's got a really long introduction and it covers a lot of different topics. I just want to cover one particular part of this video, so I'm going to choose to start the video. I know I want this from 141, so I'm just dragging this to 141. Let's go 142. There's my first frame. So as you can see, I'm trimming the start of this video and you can see now we're up to 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So we've made the video much shorter and we're not actually editing the video, and that's the most important cool part of this is we're not actually editing the video, we're just embedding a portion of that video on our website. So here we go. We had an almost 7-minute video and we're down to 1 minute snippet, and you can see the timeline is updating with my snippet. It's so easy to do it, so you could drag this around and choose what portion of the video you want to include, and you can also slide this around and choose exactly where you want the video to start, where you want to end it, and that's what I like. So I'm just going to go ahead and click publish, and there's our snippet, and all we need to do is add this snippet to our website. And we've got a short code here, so we can use the WordPress editor, or you can use Elementor, or you can use pretty much any WordPress editor that supports shortcode. Save changes. Let's go to our blank web page here. I'm going to refresh the page. We've got our video here. It's responsive, and you can see it's a beautiful video player, and the whole length of the video instead of 7 minutes is 54 seconds. Now you can do the same for your own videos. For instance, I've got a bunch of videos on Vimeo, and with Vimeo you can actually get the direct video file like an MP4 link as well. I'm just going to copy it from here. We're going to go back to our video snippets. You can see there's the snippet we just created, and instead of dragging a video in, I'm just going to paste in a video file link. There's our video. This is actually a quick start guide on another product. I cover a lot of topics in this video, but I get a lot of questions about the categories feature in this particular tool. So I just want to create a snippet. Just drag the slider to 2 minutes 31. I want to start the video there, and I want to end the video at 3 minutes and 17 seconds. So I drag the end time here to 3 minutes and 17 seconds. And you can see we've got a 46-second video clip, and now all I do is go ahead and click publish, and the snippet, the short code, is added to my clipboard. And like I mentioned earlier, we're not actually duplicating the content here. We're just grabbing that snippet and embedding that part of the video to our website. So let's go back to our page editor here. I'm going to add this. Let's just replace this existing one here. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose update. Let's reload the page. And here's my guide. And you can see the video is loading here, but instead of it loading from the start, it's loading at that timestamp we set. And the whole length of the video now is only 46 seconds. When people come and watch play, they get thrown directly into that part of the video that answers their question. So the tool that I'm using here, it's a brand new tool that I've just built called V-Snippets. It's a WordPress plugin, and it lets you grab a video, and instead of embedding that whole video, you can embed a specific part of that video. If you've got videos that have maybe multiple different steps in that particular video, you might want to just highlight a particular step in that video or a particular tip in the video, and you can embed that tip on your website. So with your particular niche or market, you can now grab any video on YouTube and choose what part of that video do I want to embed. You don't have to embed the whole video. So V-Snippets, it's a WordPress plugin that lets you do this automatically with a simple drag and drop point and click system. And you can use it for YouTube videos, or you can also use it for direct video files. And the great thing about creating your snippets as well is once you add more and more snippets, they're all in your WordPress admin here, and they're not taking up any space because it's not actually duplicating the video. It's just embedding that snippet part of the video to your website. So right now I'm going to do one of my killer no-brainer early birds on the V-Snippets. I'm going to keep this offer extremely limited, so I'm going to run it for a limited time, and once I do that, once the time is up, the price is going to shoot up really quickly. But right now, if you're on this page, you look below this video, you'll see a buy now button with the killer early bird deal. So what you can do is you can go ahead and click on the buy now button. It's going to take you through the checkout process, and you're going to come back to another video where we'll get you set up and get you into the members area so you have immediate access to using V-Snippets. Now, by grabbing V-Snippets today, you're going to secure that early bird limited time deal that I've got going, which is almost giving it away. And you're going to get immediate access. So anytime you need a specific part of a video, you can embed that particular part of the video on your website. So hey, it is Matthew McDonald here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you pick this up while it's on the early bird. If you want to pick it up right now, I will see you on the other side in just a moment in the next video.